everybody, so today I'm doing a makeup tutorial for this look right here. I didn't know what I was going to do when I sat down to film. I decided to do blue because I haven't done blue in a very long time. So I decided to do something blue and fun and colorful, and I really love how it turned out. So that's pretty much all I have to say. It's a nice fun blue makeup tutorial, and if you want to see how I achieved said fun blue makeup tutorial, then just keep on watching. So first I'm going to start by priming my eyes with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, as we normally do, and then we're going to just pat that in, set that with a tiny bit of powder, and then I'm just using a ton of different palettes. I know it sucks, but just use whatever colors you have at your disposal in your collection. These are just the ones that I had. So the first shade I'm going to take is from the Strobe Cosmetics Creepy Cute palette. It's just this pastel blue, and I'm just going to pop that in the crease. I kind of like to pack this on and then go through and sweep and blend, windshield wiper motions back and forth. Y'all know the drill, and I am taking this up pretty dang high towards my brow bone, so that way we can get this nice light bright blue towards the top. Then I'm going to take a slightly deeper bright kind of cobalt blue, and this is from the NYX Ultimate Brights palette, and I'm just taking it on a slightly skinnier brush, and I'm just taking this through the crease to really deepen up that crease, inner and outer corner, not being super precise with it, just making it a bit of a brighter blue. And then I'm going to take, I believe this is called Neptune by Makeup Geek. It's just a nice deeper blue, and I'm going to really pack this on the outer corner with this Royal and Langnickel brush. I'm just really going to pack this, again, like I said, on the outer corner and kind of drag it through the crease once the bulk of it has really been packed down, but I really wanted that outer half of my lid to be super deep blue. So again, just packing it and then slightly dragging it into the crease. Then I'm going to go in to Water Bearer from the Kathleen Lights Dream Street palette. I love this color. It's so stunning. And I'm going to take this pointed crease brush from Sigma, and I'm really going to deepen this outer corner and really kind of give myself a more kind of winged out cat eye shape to the eyeshadow, because I think it makes my eyes look a little bit bigger. So as you can see, I'm kind of winging out the shadow, and then I'm just going to go through with the brush that we used for those first two blues and just blend slightly. I don't want to blend too much because I want to keep this dark blue exactly where I placed it, but you don't want any harsh edges. So blend, but not too much. You want to keep the colors, again, where you placed it. Then I'm going to just go back in with that blue, and I just kind of place this randomly across my lid. I just wanted some sort of kind of base for this next color to go on top of. And then I'm going to take the Makeup Geek Pigment in Chameleon, one of my favorite pigments from Makeup Geek. I'm going to take this on just a wet brush. I just used some setting spray, and I'm just going to pop that all over my lid. This is such a stunning color and such a classic, nice green, turquoisey blue. It's so stunning. I absolutely love it. So again, I'm just kind of placing that all over my lid up until we get about the middle of the lid where that dark blue type starts to come in, and then I just kind of tap it to blend it together. Then I'm going to take Void, the black from the Strobe Cosmetics Creepy Cute palette, and I'm just going to use that to just deepen up the very darkest parts of my outer corner. So right kind of where I would put like a wing of eyeliner, like right in that pocket of my eye. I'm just going in with that same crease, like tapered crease brush from Sigma. And yeah, just packing it right in that corner. And I'm hardly blending this because, again, I just want to keep that black dark, and I want to keep it right there. Then we're going to move on to face. I'm going to take the Urban Decay All Nighter foundation. This is in the shade 1.0, and this is the Moda 105 brush, I believe, 501 brush. I love this brush for foundation. I'm just going to spread that all over my face and blend that in. Then I'm going to take, again, just my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, just since it was right there, and I'm just going to conceal and highlight my face. Nothing new here, just doing the standard. I'm just going to blend that in with my Real Techniques Miracle Complexion Sponge, and then I'm going to set that down with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit and this tapered, it's called a tapered contour brush from Delium Tools. I love it for setting the under eyes. So I'm just taking that light creamy color and setting my under eyes, and then I'm taking my NYX Set It and Don't Fret It, and I am setting all over my face. Then I'm going to go in with the contour, this like middle fawn shade. I wanted to do something a little bit cooler toned to give myself a nice contour. And I'm taking, again, another Delium Tools brush from their Golden Triangle line. I really like these brushes. And I'm just contouring and highlighting and dancing. Y'all know the drill. Then I'm going to use this Colourpop Private Party bronzer as blush, essentially. I just wanted to warm up my skin a little bit because I love nice, warm, bronze skin with blue eyeshadow. I think it's stunning. Then I'm going to take the Colourpop Super Shock Shadow, or no, Super Shock Cheek in the shade Butterfly Beach, and I'm just going to take this on a Royal and Langnickel tapered highlighting brush. I love this highlight so much. It's so stunning, and I don't use it enough. So I'm just going to highlight the crap out of my face with this because it makes you look wet and dripping in glow. Then I'm just going to take the shade, I think it's called Glow. I may be wrong, or Moony from the Kathleen Lights Colourpop palette. Just a nice soft yellow toned highlight, and then I'm going to go in and work on my lower lash line. So first taking that kind of medium blue shade, and I'm placing this very heavily on the outer 3/4 of my eye. So as you can see, I'm keeping that inner corner pretty empty because we're gonna highlight right there, but I am taking this blue pretty far down and pretty heavy on that outer 3/4 of my lower lash line. Again, taking those same shades that we use in our upper lid and using it on the lower lid. And with this bright blue from the Strobe Cosmetics Creepy Cute palette, I am taking it down pretty far. As you can see, I really wanted it to be super dramatic outer lower lash line. So I'm taking that and then making sure to wrap it around so that it blends with the upper eyeshadow. And I'm just going to, again, just deepen that up with a little bit of Water Bearer on this detailed kind of smudgy brush from Sigma. And yeah, just really deepening up that outer half of our lower lash line. Then I'm going to take a little bit of Styli Style Line and Seal Semi-Permanent Eyeliner, and again, just taking that on that outer half, kind of outer 3/4 of my lower lash line to deepen it up, or my waterline, rather, just to deepen it up. And then I'm going to take my BH Cosmetics Spotlight Highlighting Palette. You can take whatever yellow toned highlight you have in your collection. I'm wetting my brush, and I'm placing that pretty heavily on my inner corner, on the bottom of my lower lash line, and I'm kind of dragging this into where the blue starts so that you can get a kind of nice gradient. Then I'm taking the NYX Matte Liquid Liner, and I'm just going to do a little wing of liner, nothing too fancy here, just, you know, a wing of liner to give us a nice cat eye shape and tie in the cat eye eyeshadow shape with the rest of the look. Y'all know what I'm talking about. You know what I mean. Then I'm going to go fill in my brows real quick. Now the brows are on, then we're going to take the Colored Raine liquid lipstick. I believe this is in the shade Latte. I love this warm brownish shade with the contrasting blue lips. I love it. I live for it. I'm dying. I love it. And I got out of, I mean, this is technically a nude, but it's not my normal nude, so I was really proud of myself. So this is how the look turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I had so much fun with this look. I haven't done blue in so long. Let me know what colors I should play with next. I love you all so much. Please be sure to subscribe before you leave, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!